You know where we're going.
Going on.
It's very different from the forest, and it feels like we're out in the middle of nowhere in this grassy plains.
What?
Okay.
So, yeah. Oh no, here.
Look, here's the burrows at the door. At the, yes, I'm taking pictures. I'm taking pictures here. Oh. Hello, hello. Give me more, Vicky. Give me more, Vic.
Here.
How do you know? Oh! Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, they're adorable.
And it just kind of gently pushes them when they lift this gate right here into this area. Yeah, they're very